Small doesn't just mean cute, it means fascinating. From miniature monkeys to tiny turtles, the world's smallest creatures are packed with adaptations and surprises. Today we're diving into the lives of 10 adorable miniature animals that redefine teeny but mighty. Let's get started. The bumblebee bat is so small it can fit on the tip of your finger. Found in Thailand and Myanmar, these bats weigh less than a penny. Their tiny wings are perfect for navigating dense caves. They use echolocation to catch insects mid-flight. Despite their size, bumblebee bats can fly up to 20 miles per hour. This monkey, the size of your thumb, is nature's pocket-sized acrobat. Found in the rainforests of South America, pygmy marmosets are expert climbers. Their sharp claws help them grip trees effortlessly. They live in tight-knit groups of up to 15 individuals. They primarily feed on tree sap, which they access by gnawing holes into bark. Meet the smallest tortoise in the world. Hailing from South Africa, this little tank measures only 3 inches long as an adult. Their speckled shells help them blend into rocky landscapes. Habitat loss and illegal pet trade threaten their survival. Females are larger than males, a rare case in the animal kingdom. The Etruscan shrew might be tiny, but it has a metabolism like no other. This pint-sized mammal eats up to twice its body weight daily. Its rapid heartbeat, over 1,500 beats per minute, keeps it fueled for non-stop hunting. Shrews use their keen sense of smell to track insects. They're the smallest terrestrial mammal by weight, a heartbeat faster than a hummingbird. The fairyfly is so small it's nearly invisible to the naked eye. Measuring just 0.5 millimeters, these wasps are masters of survival. They lay their eggs inside other insects' eggs. Despite their size, they're efficient parasitoids. Fairyflies are smaller than some single-celled organisms, smaller than a grain of salt. This pint-sized reptile from the Caribbean is so light it can walk on water. Dwarf geckos are less than 2 inches long and weigh less than a paperclip. Their adhesive toe pads help them climb almost any surface. Dwarf geckos are solitary creatures. They're one of the most endangered reptiles due to habitat loss. Weighs less than 1 gram. Pygmy seahorses are true masters of disguise, perfectly matching the coral they call home. These tiny fish measure less than an inch long. Their bodies mimic coral structures to avoid predators. They use their tiny mouths to suck in plankton. And here's a fun fact. Males carry the babies in their brood pouch. The bee hummingbird, found in Cuba, is the tiniest bird in the world, weighing less than a dime. Don't let its size fool you. It's a powerhouse flyer. Its rapid wing beat, 80 beats per second, allows it to hover with precision. They feed on nectar and help pollinate flowers. And did you know? Their nests are the size of a quarter. This rodent, resembling a tiny kangaroo, is built for the arid deserts of Central Asia. Pygmy jerboas are less than 2 inches tall, but can leap great distances. Their long legs help them cover ground quickly. They are nocturnal and solitary. And here's a fun fact. They hold the record for the smallest rodent in the world, the hopping marvel of the desert. The Bruchisia micra, found only in Madagascar, is the smallest chameleon in the world. At less than an inch long, it's a true wonder of nature. Their size allows them to hide from predators with ease. Like their larger relatives, they use their long tongues to catch prey. And fun fact, they sleep on tiny leaves at night. World's tiniest reptile. From the depths of the ocean to the tops of trees, these tiny creatures prove that big wonders come in small packages. Which one was your favorite? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more journeys into the fascinating world of wildlife. See you next time.